free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about cryptocurrency. Is it smart investing or is it straight gambling, right? If you've been doing any sort of research on crypto, you'll realize that if you ain't like a super expert at this stuff, it can seem very, very confusing. That's why I talked about in a couple videos back that I'm taking like little courses on learning crypto. And I would highly suggest anybody who's looking at, putting a lot of money into crypto, they should do a fair amount of research before you jump into it. So what do I think so far about crypto? I have invested in a couple cryptocurrencies to this point, and that I feel fairly good about, but there's so many, right? There's so many different cryptocurrencies out there, and you see so many videos on YouTube, TikTok, everywhere. Everybody's talking about crypto, and a lot of people are like, yo, crypto is just made up. I mean, it's not real. It'll never be anything. Like, people just tripping over nothing. In a few years, crypto won't even be around, right? Then you got other people who's like, listen, if you ain't into crypto yet, what is you waiting on, man? What is you waiting on? Like, crypto is the future, right? Future. I mean, crypto is what's going. Everybody is gonna have to know what crypto is. Everybody gonna have to have some crypto, right? So you see the two different drastic sides. One side, crypto ain't nothing. The other side, crypto's about to be everything. So which is it? All right. In my opinion, all right, a lot of the cryptocurrencies that I see, and you hear stories about people losing a lot of money, blah, 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 blah. I do think a lot of cryptos is a gamble at this point, just because a lot of people don't understand crypto. A lot of people don't have no clue, how to invest in crypto, what to look for in crypto, how you know a good crypto from a bad crypto. Because you've seen what's going on with the Dogecoin, where a lot of people, once again, to this very day, a lot of people swear by it, a lot of people laugh at it, right? So I think it's a matter of doing research. But there are a few cryptocurrencies that I've seen up to this point where it seems more comprehensive. It makes more sense. A lot of people, are impressed with this cryptocurrency, like across the board. There's certain cryptocurrencies that you don't hear. You hear very little negatives about a few cryptocurrencies, right? Like the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Vechain, Cardano, things like that. I'm constantly hearing good things and about how they are smart investments. Now, ultimately, any sort of investment, anything that you put your money in, pretty much is a gamble, right? Even things that seem super solid, is most likely a gamble. It's just a matter of how high is the risk, you know what I'm saying, and what you putting your money in. But ultimately, I do think that crypto is something that could make you money in the short and long term, but I do highly suggest that you actually learn it. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm doing. Learning crypto, learning what to look for, because like I said, a lot of people have lost money investing in crypto, and a lot of people have made a ton of money from crypto. So right now, I do have money put into crypto. I have money put into Vechain, and I have money put into Cardano, and I feel pretty comfortable, and I'm gonna leave it in there for a while. And maybe in the short future, once I learn more about crypto, I'm probably gonna invest in a couple more cryptocurrencies and see what happens, guys. So is it a gamble? Right now, crypto could be a gamble, in my opinion, if you're not really focusing on like the ones that have more concrete data and it makes more sense, right? So that's my take on it, guys. But like I said, Cardano and Vechain is what I'm personally invested in right now, and I feel pretty good about it, but we'll see as time goes on. So comment below, let me know if you invested in any cryptocurrencies, and if so, which ones do you got? Any tips on crypto, put them below. It's all good, guys. I will see you. Wait. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a like if you like the content, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.